On July 1, 2021, the VAT e-commerce package came into force. It means that for some B2C transactions concluded through electronic platforms like Allegro, sellers from outside the European Union will settle based on the new rules. Trading platforms, such as Allegro, will account for VAT from those transactions, instead of sellers themselves. It means that we will collect VAT from sellers for such transactions. This change will affect transactions concluded by the sellers with their business seat outside the European Union, but do not have a fixed establishment in the European Union within the VAT regulations, and their goods are shipped to buyers from the European Union. For example, we will settle the transaction according to the new rules if your business seat is in China. You do not have a fixed establishment within the meaning of tax regulations in the European Union. You send goods to buyers in Poland from a warehouse in Germany. What do you have to do? If you have a fixed establishment in the European Union, including Poland, inform us about it and provide your VAT ID. What exactly is a fixed establishment? A fixed establishment in the European Union is a place where you run a business and which is located in a country other than the business headquarters, and where you have the human and technical resources necessary to provide or receive services permanently. Additionally, it acts independently and autonomically from the primary business establishment. How to declare a fixed establishment? Go to the Account tab and click My Account. In the Account Settings section, choose Account Details. Now click Details in the tax information, and you can declare your fixed establishment here. After declaring a fixed establishment, make sure that prices of your products and the delivery costs include the Polish VAT, and check whether your offers are listed in the correct categories. Additionally, declare up-to-date Polish VAT rates in your offers if a reduced VAT rate may apply to your sales in Poland. You sell services, or they are excluded from the VAT e-commerce package. In some cases, we may ask you to provide additional information concerning the basis of VAT exclusion. If the standard Polish VAT rate, 23%, applies to your offers, you do not need to declare the VAT rates in the VAT rate PL field. Then we will assume that the applicable VAT rate is 23% and that the offer concerns goods. For items dispatched to other EU countries than Poland, we will apply a standard VAT rate for the country of delivery. All funds paid by the buyer will be transferred to your Allegro Finance wallet. We will settle for the VAT e-commerce package through billing. We will add a relevant fee in the Settlements with Allegro tab. You will see the settlement in the invoices you receive from us monthly as well. If you do not know which VAT rate applies to your offers, check it in the European VAT Rates database or contact your tax advisor. Please see the description field for useful links about the VAT e-commerce package. Watch more videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.